Hi everyone, my name's Corrie. I'm a Cricut contributing artist under the name of Glitterati. Today I'm going to be showing you the slice feature in Cricut Design Space and show you how it can be a great tool to help you with your projects. So we're going to move over into Cricut Design Space now and I'll show you what it can do. So here we are in Cricut Design Space, and over here on this bottom right hand side are some of the features of Design Space. I'm going to be covering mainly the slice feature today, but I will touch on some of the other ones just to show you how things work. So as you can see, it's all grayed out at the moment. There's nothing available for us to use, and that's because there's nothing on the canvas right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a couple of shapes and just show you something. So if I grab a circle, and then maybe we'll grab a heart. Now, one thing to notice is on this right hand side is where the images that you have on your canvas will appear, and you can drag them like this so that one would be on top of the other or behind the other, like that. You've also got these options available here. Arrange. You can send one backwards. You can bring it to the front, like that. And obviously you can change the colour here. So what I was thinking was a really basic way of using the slice is to highlight two images like this. We'll just align them so they're centered like that, and then use the slice button. And then if you take it away, this is obviously the original circle and the original heart, and then this is the piece which we have taken out of the circle. So you could just get rid of those if you wanted to, like that. So next I wanted to show you, like, we could make something. We could make maybe like a crescent moon kind of a shape. So I get one circle, and you can duplicate it by going up here, click there, and if I make that one just a little bit kind of smaller and overlap it like that, you can see the shape that we're going to try and make. Highlight both of them, slice, and then we will take away these extra pieces. So something like that. It's just an idea for you, trying to just show how you can use the slice. So then what we could do is we could go back into shapes, maybe grab a star. Again, I will change the color just to make it easier for you to see. And I wanted to show you this because if we just duplicate this a few times and make them smaller, this is quite a cute design. So I will just duplicate like this, and we'll just like move them, make them smaller, rotate them. So we'll just do something like that, right? Okay. Now, what if I wanted to cut all of these stars out of that? Unfortunately, I can't, because you can only slice two items at once. So there is a way around it. You can press Shift and select all of these. That's all of the stars, and then you can combine them. And the best thing to use is to weld. Now, weld you can't undo, but then what we can do is again select both of them, and you can see that that slice feature is back again. So if we click it, you can see here those are the original stars, and those are the stars removed from the moon. Another way of using the slice feature is to trim photographs into nice shapes. You could maybe make them into stickers or something like that. So what I'm going to do is just upload a photo. This is my dog. I think this one comes in quite large. Yeah, it's huge. So if you go up here, this is your size. I'll just make it, I don't know, 8. Like that, so we can see it. And then I'll get another shape, make it a heart again. And we'll just drag it sort of over her smiley face. Select both of them again and then hit slice. Then we can get rid of the big picture, and then there she is. And you could make that into a sticker. Now if you were going to want to make this into a sticker, you would want to use a little offset. It looks nicer with an offset. So you could go like this. You can adjust an offset, make it huge or small. And you can have a rounded corner or a squared off corner. Can't really see much on the heart, just this pointy end. I prefer rounded, and then click apply. And then you can change this to whatever colour that you want. I like to use a white on a sticker. Now, if you're wanting to use this as a sticker, you need to select both of them. As you can see, when they're green on this side, you have selected both of them. And then you need to flatten them. And then they become one, if you will. And when we click make, it's one together there. And these are my cut pieces on the other mat. Okay, so there's just a couple of ways of using the slice feature. Another way is to take pieces out of images that you don't want. So if we go into images, and I think I saw one that was I love my dog or something. Oh, helps if I type the right thing in. I love my dog. So I'll take that one as an example. So I've added it to the canvas, and it's actually 2 layers because we've got this red piece. This is the image here. If you click this arrow, it will show you this is one layer and this is another. And I can hide that heart just by clicking the eye there. So say I wanted to put the word dog in another colour. What I could do is I could make a box and make it the same size as the word dog, select all together, and then slice it like that. And then you get rid of the extra pieces. And now this is not connected to this, as you can see. And then I can change the colour. And of course I can bring back that heart just by clicking the eye again. So that's another way of using the slice feature. You can also use the contour feature for this. I'll show you just quickly how to use that. So again, all of this black is one image there. And if you were to say I wanted the I and the my to be different colours, what we could do is we could duplicate it. Take this one, contour it, take the I out of that one. Maybe make this, I don't know, pink. And then grab this one, contour it, take the M and the Y out. So I've just left with the I and make that another colour. And then if you wanted it to stay together, you would just select it all and group it here. There we go. The last thing I wanted to show you was how to use it with some text. I will just type in Angel, that's my dog's name. Just make it larger. I've used this Alexa Bright script, but obviously you could use whatever you wanted. Up here you've got Cricut fonts and system fonts. I could maybe use, I want something that's quite, oh, maybe alligator, that's nice. Sorry, I'm absolutely terrible for picking fonts. I could be here all day, literally. Choose that one. That one's really nice. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to click Combine and Weld. So it's all together. And then I'm going to go up to the offset again. And that looks quite good, actually. I will click Apply. Select both of them. Then Slice. And then if I remove all the pieces, you end up with this lovely kind of an outline. And that would look lovely in like maybe holographic vinyl. That would look really nice. So that's everything I wanted to cover today on the slice feature. I hope you found it helpful and it gave you some ideas. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.